What up, y'all? So, it's an SS day. So, today we got a Flex Fuel Kit from SMG. So, we're gonna try to get this thing on some E85. First off, we gotta get this fuel line disconnected, which I already got this clamp off. So, we got a fuel disconnect tool somewhere in there. So we're just gonna pop this line off. This piece plugs in one side and the line plugs into the other side. And then we got this little setup, which is going on the coil packs. So it'll just go in between the plug right there. And we got one wire to ground, so let's get started. Step one is done. Y'all missed me spray myself with gas, but you need a 3/8 fuel line disconnect, which is different from the 3/8, what was it, a transmission line disconnect. This is what I had when I was working on the vet the other day. This will not work because this little part is not deep enough, so you have to get an actual fuel disconnect. So they are different, but same size, both 3/8, but this is deeper. So you unhook this piece from that piece. Have you a rag, because it will spray gas and it might spray twice, so look out for that. But then this piece just screws on. Screw that on, you tight. Plug this in, you tight. Now all we got left is this plug, which is going to go in between one of these coil pack plugs, and this, which I said before goes to a ground, but this is going to a fuse somewhere in here. So I'll find it and let you know when I find it. Alright, so we back. Coil pack part is done, plugged up. This wire is ran, so it doesn't go to ground. It goes to pin 38 in this thing right here. So you got to pull this red tab, you lift this up and go back. You see the white wire. So the white wire goes into here, and this is labeled. It's like a 1 up here. My bad. So it's like a 1 up here. It's a row. 16 on the first row, 16 on the second row. Next row starts at number 33. You get to about right here. It's pin 38. It should be empty. So what we ended up doing was, it's a little plastic thing that's in there covering it up, stopping you from putting the wire in it. So I just had a hanger and grinded this down where it was real thin, and we poked the hole, well, we poked the little plastic piece out. So once we poked that out, we were able to put the white wire back in there and snap it into place. So then it's just snap it all back together and we should be good to go. Fuse panel is 4 10mm bolts. So it's 2 up here and then there's 2 down there. My flash went off, but yeah, so it's 4 of those. We just moved this up just a little bit, not that far, but that was give us a little bit more room to reach down in the bottom.